Hello to all the families of Smitham Primary School and Nursery. I'd like to share with you a story that I received at Christmas time from a friend of mine who I haven't been able to see for quite a while. The story is called While We Can't Hug. I hope you'll enjoy it. Hedgehog and Tortoise were the best of friends. They wanted to give each other a great big hug, but they weren't allowed to touch. Don't worry, said Owl. There are lots of ways to show someone you love them. Hedgehog tried a wave. That made Tortoise smile. Tortoise made a funny face, and that made Hedgehog laugh. Hedgehog wrote a letter, and Tortoise wrote one back. And when Tortoise did a little dance, Hedgehog joined in too. Hedgehog blew a kiss across the gap between them. Tortoise saw it, caught it, and kept it. And sent 3 back. Tortoise sang a song. Hedgehog played along. Then they both painted pictures so that everyone would know that they were friends. Through rain and shine. They could not touch, they could not hug. But they both knew that they were loved. Perhaps you could use one of the ideas from this book and show a friend or a member of your family that while you can't hug at the moment, you still love each other so much and you do something to make each other smile and laugh. Enjoy each other. Bye-bye for now.